We had our breakfast and left Pelling at 8 o'clock as we bid our goodbyes to Sikkim. We'll be going to Darjeeling and staying the night there. We reached Darjeeling at 11:30 and checked into our hotel. The view of Mountain Kanchenjunga from the hotel room is breathtaking. Today we'll go for shopping and we'll just relax in our room. We woke up at 3:30 am and came to Tiger Hill to see the sunrise over Mountain Kanchenjunga and Mount Everest.
If you look now, you can't see the Everest because here is the place starts, but you can't see the Everest which was here. So it is visible only in the early morning when the sunlight is falling on it. We went to Tiger Hill early in the morning and we saw sunrise and we saw Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest also. And we went to monastery but it was closed. So we came to here, War Memorial. Ticket is 20 rupees per person, but we were 7 people. So what he did was he took 100 rupees and he didn't give ticket. So he was telling you are saving 40 rupees, go inside. But we want ticket. Otherwise the money will go to his pocket. So you have to fight for it. Literally fight for it. Because you have to argue, you have to tell we want ticket. Give 40 rupees, give correct amount and get the ticket. Always pay the right amount and get all the tickets. We just stopped to take some photos of Darjeeling train. We won't be going there inside the train, but at least we can take photos. Refugee Guruji, who is the founder of the Peace Pagoda, is a close associate of Gandhiji. And when the Hiroshima and Nagasaki atom bomb strikes happened, there was so much violence that time. So, as an act of non-violence, pagoda was built. It represents lotus and Buddhism. So it spreads the message of non-violence, and hence Peace Pagoda was built. Initially, it was built in Japan. Then it was built in other places also. There is a Buddhist temple and pagoda in the same complex. As you go around pagoda, you will find different stages of Buddha, like the birth and Nirvana, and there are few carvings as well. So far, in all the monasteries, wherever we went, photography was not allowed inside the monastery, but this is the first one in this trip that we could photograph inside the monastery also. The clouds, it's like a cotton candy and it's spread everywhere, and there is the Kanchenjunga.
We came to Tibetan Refugees Self-Help Center for the Tibetan refugees. It came into existence on 2nd October 1959 from the funds raised from the local charity.
This is a photo exhibition of Tibetan refugees. It starts from when they left Tibet and when they settled here, and how they established this center, about their school, about their food, about their prayers, about their manufacturing. Here we have different colored threads, and they will take the thread and stitch it to it, and they'll form a pattern or a design accordingly. This is half done, and they will continue stitching over the top. So we are going to tea garden right now. Today sky is clear, and hence you can see all the mountain ranges, even Nathula Pass and Namchi, and everything we can see. So in the war memorial there was binoculars, so we have to pay 40 rupees, and they'll show each of these places, Nathula Pass, Namchi, and all the ranges, all the mountain ranges we can see. That's why the Tiger Hill is famous in Darjeeling. That's why so many tourists come here. Wherever I go, I'll come back to Kanchenjunga itself because it looks magnificent. Kanchenjunga actually looks more closer to you from Pelling than from Gangtok or Darjeeling. But from Darjeeling you can get a better view because you will get so many ranges, and you can even see Everest and Three Sisters and other mountain ranges from the Tiger Hill. But from Pelling it looks really close.
Tomorrow we will travel to Bagdogra and board the flight to Bangalore. I'll end my journey here at this beautiful view of Mountain Kanchenjunga.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.